next year's EWMA, as well as this year, I will manage a workshop for nurses and doctors or other healthcare professionals with the goal to make them meet and learn from each other. They will be presented two typical different patient cases, and they can do best care for these patients in an imagined hospital. Once these patients are being discharged, it's where the problem starts. Where to discharge this patient, when to discharge the patient, and how to follow up the treatment after the patient has left the hospital. The aim of the workshop is to make the healthcare professionals learn from each other, discuss with each other, and come to different solutions. What is the best interest for this patient?